how to turn off and remap the power button on the Samsung S26 Ultra. So the first step or method is pressing and holding the side button plus the volume button down together for 2 to 3 seconds. That's how you can actually power off without having to go through the process of tapping your settings from the control panel and then, powering off from there. Now, in order to remap the button, if your side button opens up Gemini or Bixby, you can change it back to the traditional power button as you're used to. All you need to do is just go ahead and open up your settings application. So once you've opened up settings, head into advanced features and select side key. So once you selected side key, where we have press and hold, set it to power off menu, and then a double press can be to either open up Bixby, open an app, or quick launch your camera. Now, whenever you hold the side button, it will bring up the power menu instead of your personal AI assistant. All right, guys, that's how it's done.